find the Netherverse. It's all right. I'm here. It's just us now.
I was horrible to you. Why did you protect me?
You're my sister.
Where are we going?
A deal's a deal. We're going to jail.
Put me down. I will not go to jail.
Sandra, shut up. We're going to jail and that's final.
Can we still be evil?
No.
Is that the Dimensionator? Yep. I assume it is no longer functional. Nope. You know, I just can't catch a break. I am sorry. That's okay. If the Dimensionator was functional, would you use it?
The final lawbacks is... I don't know. There was a time I would have said yes, but at this point, there's more for me here than over there. Come on. We don't want to keep her waiting.
Eternity, listening to your turn wailing, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Look at you. Even in the afterlife, you're still senile. Hilarious. Come on, let's go see some of those film droids down at the robot graveyard.